Hello everybody. I just wanted to make a quick video for what you should be doing every day when you are coming to my class. I understand that it's only a couple of you who are still having problems, but a couple of you having problems is still too many in my book, and everybody else you can use the reminder. So the first thing that I'm going to do in a typical day is open up my email and check that, see if there are any important reminders. After I do that, when it gets close to 10 o'clock, it's time to sign into class. So the first thing that I am going to do is I am going to sign into Google Classroom. You can see here my Google Classroom pops up when I type in just Classroom, and all of my classes are there. It is vitally important that you use Google Chrome. That ensures that things are going to work. If you have any problems with different things popping up like Nearpod or anything like that, it's always good to clear your cache. That will kind of reset everything and get you back where you need to be. So I'm just going to pick English 11 just because they're all set up the same, but just because I have the most of you. And you can see here that you get directly into your stream. Quite frankly, the stream isn't useful for a lot of things except announcements, which I don't have very frequently. So the first thing that I like to do is click this classwork tab. That's where everything is going to be housed. So the first thing that you see when you click the classwork tab are your Google Meet links. This right here that says live class link is where you are going to sign in for your first hour, second hour, third hour, whichever class you have. So this is where you click into this video meeting. This is those live sessions that we've been having twice a week. If you are unsure where we are at, this is the photo of the schedule, so you can see, which hours you're with which people. And I just wanted that there so you would know. The second link is only for Fridays. This class video meeting is only for Fridays from 9:30 to 10 and 1 to 1:30, as it says right there. So let's say you come in, you click the link, you're in, but you were late. If you are late and the Nearpod has already advanced forward past attendance, that's where you can click here and sign in for attendance. You don't need to do this if you've already done it on the Nearpod. This is only if you came in late or missed it on the Nearpod. After that, you're going to see your assignments. These are your asynchronous learning, and you can see here each one is dated. Those dates will corroborate with the dates in MyStar. So if you're missing something, for instance from the 14th, it's going to be this thing, and you can just go ahead and do that. I go through and grade every morning. If you turn something in late, it'll be graded within the next couple days. After that, you see other sorts of assignments. These are your practice assignments. You won't have all of these because I have not assigned them yet. The only one you have is that digital story poster. Once again, if you're seeing your missing assignment from 9-8, it'll be right there. Here are your resources for short stories and ebooks and those things that we were talking about today. We're starting with the book Black Enough, the anthology. And then here we talked about your memoir summative. And it's just right here when you want to click into it and do it. At the bottom, there's just materials for reference like your syllabus, IXL, Newsela, Canvas, all those kinds of things. This is the tab that really is just everything for you. Now, if you don't like scrolling or something like that and you're on a computer, you can go to this left side and you can click any of these and it takes you directly into those topics. You can also click on the grade tab. I'm not going to click on that because it will show everyone's grades, but you can click on the grade tab to see your individual grades on anything at any given time. Just keep in mind, MyStar is the legit grade book, and that's where all of your stuff needs to be in order for your actual grade to change. MyStar does not update until usually about 5 p.m. though. If you have any questions on anything, please let me know. Other than that, I will see you at our next class period. Have a great night.